was born with a squint. I had 2 eye operations before I was 5, and they're not sure if the second operation damaged my eye. I was under Great Ormond Street for many years, and they said there's nothing we can do. I also had the lazy eye, and so I functioned basically with my right eye, and I could see shapes, but not very well. And over the time, and every time I've been to the optician, I've just had a balanced glass. Just forget about it, you'll never see. Well, I've tried now and again to do the odd eye exercise, and it just made me feel dizzy and odd. So, and it didn't seem to do anything, but I've persevered with your exercises. And we have a clock in the front room, which is about 18 inches high. Now, with my bad eye, I couldn't even see it was a clock. Now I can.
Yay!
I can see the numbers. I can't see the time on the clock, but I can see the numbers on the clock.
Very good.
I can't do any. I've been, the pinhole as well sharpens. I see colours.
Good.
I can also now, and I've got an iPad. So a few months ago, I wouldn't have been able to see your face. I can see your face, but with my bad eyes, I cannot see that you've got headphones on.
Okay.
So it's progressive, and it's quite rapid. But my brain is saying, you can't do this. I'm 67. You can't do this. You can't do this. You've been told you can't see. So I'm having that fight.
Interesting.
After 2 or 3 minutes, I've had of exercising, and I even do use my finger, and I do close and forward. But with my bad eye, I have not been able to see where the finger is. I just guess.
Okay.
But my eye is getting better.
Good.
I'm noticing that it never did focus. It would just do whatever it wanted. When I look on photographs, my eye could be anywhere.
Okay.
So I'm trying to center it to focus.